Once again, I welcome students to my video lectures on signals and system. And if you remember very well, in the last class, I gave introduction to gate function. So gate function is a very useful function, and gate function is nothing but a rectangular pulse of unit height and whose pulse width can be adjusted. This is what a gate function. I will come to gate function later. So before constructing a gate function, so you are supposed to know a concept known as graphical addition, and how to graphically add waveforms. You know how to numerically add numbers, very much similar to numerical addition of numbers. So graphs can be added. So I will take only step function, shifted step functions, and I will ask you to graphically add them, because this concept is very useful in constructing gate function. So first I will take two waveforms, waveform A, waveform B. This is waveform A. This is waveform B. I have taken two waveforms. One is waveform A and another is waveform B. So what is waveform A? Waveform A is nothing but 2ut. It is 2ut because its height is 2 and it is stepping is taking place here at t equals 0, 2ut. So what about this one? This is an inverted step function, inverted shifted step function, inverted. So here it is minus 2 and this waveform is minus 2 u of t minus 1. So you are familiar with 2 u of t minus 1. What is 2 u of t minus 1? 2 u of t minus 1 is this is 2 u of t minus 1. This is 2 u of t minus 1, shifted step function. It is inverted. Inversion means minus, and when it is inverted, it becomes like this. It is inverted. So that is what I have written here. So addition. So how to add them? You can add them graphically. So here I will make addition. So for t less than 0, this is 0. For this waveform also, for t less than 0, it is 0. So what is 0 plus 0? 0 plus 0 is 0. So here it is a plus b. A plus b. 0 plus 0 is 0. Next, from 0 onwards, it is at a height of 2. But from 0 to 1, it is at minus 2. So this is 2, this is minus 2. Now from 0 to 1, it is 2, whereas here it is 0 here. It is 0 here. So after 1 onwards, it is minus 2. But between 0 and 1, its value is 0. What is 2 plus 0? 2 plus 0 is 2. Therefore, from 0 to 1, it is 2. 2. From 0 to 1, it is 2 plus 0. Next, from 1 onwards, here in this case, it is 2. Here also it is 2. So what is, it is minus 2, sorry, it is minus 2. So B waveform, after 1, its value is minus 2. Whereas A waveform, after 1 also it continues with 2. So what is 2 plus minus 2? 2 plus minus 2. So this is 2, this is minus 2. So 2 plus of minus 2, that is 0. That is after 1, its value is 0. Therefore, this is how. After 1, this is 2, this is minus 2. Forever, it is at 0 value, and this is the waveform that results after graphical addition. So why this example is very, very important in understanding a gate function. So looking into this waveform, don't it resembles gate function? Yes, it resembles a gate function. What is the gate function? A gate function is a rectangular pulse of unit height. Okay, here the height is not 1, but it is 2. But it looks like a rectangular pulse, not of unit height, but of a height of 2. Now one can write this as, this gate waveform as, this is not but this is not a gate waveform from the point that it is not 1. Suppose if it is 1, then it is exactly gate waveform. But I am doing problem on graphical addition. Now after adding these two waveforms, this is the waveform that results. Now what is this waveform? This waveform is 2ut. This waveform is minus 2 u of t minus 1. What is a plus b? A plus b is 2 u of t minus 2 u of t minus 1. Now I will take the same example. I will change the numerical values. Now I will make this one. I will make this one. And I will make this also minus 1. Minus 1. So what is the graph then? The graph is for t less than 0, 0 plus 0, 0. Between 0 and 1, it is 1. And then between 0 and 1, its value is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1. Then from 1 onwards, its value is 1. Its value is minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is what is called as, exactly this is what is called as gate function. This is gate function. So gate function is a rectangular pulse of unit height. So in this example, it is stretched between 0 and 1. So in problems, so sometimes we come across different gate functions of different pulse width. So if here it is pulse width, the pulse, this is what is called as pulse width, and the pulse width in this example is 1. So you have to very well remember the structure of gate function. The structure of gate function is this. This is the structure of gate function. So this is one step function. This is another step function. But strictly speaking, this is a shifted step function, and their difference is making a gate function. So I will conclude this class that once again stating that what is gate function? A gate function is a rectangular pulse of unit height whose pulse width can be adjusted. In this example, pulse width of 1. So if you have to construct a gate function, we require two step functions. This is one step function, this is another step function, and the gate function is of this form. So in the coming classes, you remember this function, gate function, as difference of two step functions. Thank you.